How to add an emergency contact in Apple Health on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. First, open the Health app on your iPhone and make sure you're on the Summary tab. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Medical ID. Scroll down until you find the Emergency Contacts section. If you haven't added an emergency contact yet, tap Add Emergency Contact. If you already have one and want to add another or make changes, tap Edit at the top right corner, then select Add Emergency Contact. You'll now see your contacts list. Choose the person you want to add as your emergency contact. After selecting the contact, choose their relationship to you, such as mother, father, parent, sibling, spouse, or friend. Once you've selected the relationship, tap the check mark or Done button in the top right corner to save your changes. Your emergency contact will now appear in your medical ID. One important thing to know is that if emergency SOS is activated on your iPhone, your emergency contacts can be notified and may receive your current location, helping them know where you are during an emergency. And that's how to add an emergency contact in Apple Health on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and Apple Health tutorials.